Ever wondered how to transform a good cruise experience into an unforgettable one? Welcome aboard. Today, we're navigating through the ocean of Cruise Hacks 101, a lifeline of insider tips that can elevate your cruise journey from pleasant to phenomenal. First off, early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the best cabin. Booking your cruise well in advance, say about 6 to 8 months, can assure you not only of better deals, but also a wider choice of cabins. It's a little foresight that can go a long way in ensuring smooth sailing. Next up, a cruise isn't just about the ship, it's also about the ports. Researching about the ports of call before you set sail can give you the upper hand. You'll have a better idea of what to explore, where to shop, and even where to find the best local cuisine. So make sure to prepare your own shore excursion list. Now, on to the lifeblood of any vacation, food. On a cruise, dining isn't just a necessity, it's an event. So don't shy away from trying the specialty dining options on board. It might be an extra expense, but the gastronomic experience can be worth every penny. You're on a cruise, so it's only fair to expect some water fun. But instead of rushing to the pool first thing in the morning, consider hitting the hot tub during off-peak hours. That way, you'll have the space all to yourself and can truly relax. But what about the days at sea, you may ask? Well, those are the best times to explore the ship. From rock climbing walls to mini golf, and from art auctions to cooking classes, there's a treasure trove of activities waiting to be discovered. Before wrapping up, here's a bonus tip. Befriend the crew. They're the heart and soul of the ship and can offer invaluable insights, from the best time to visit the gym to secret spots on board that offer the best views. To recap, plan and book early, research your ports, try the specialty dining, use the hot tubs during off-peak hours, explore the ship during sea days, and don't forget to chat with the crew. So there you have it, a compass to navigate the high seas of cruising. With these insider tips, your next cruise experience is bound to be nothing short of spectacular. Until next time, happy cruising!